Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and today we're looking at a rainbow dent on the quarter panel of a BMW X5. Now, what I love about these BMWs is they actually have a factory plug in the wheel well. Check this out. I don't know what exactly that plug is there for, but I felt like it was there just for me. No need to take out any taillights or any interior pieces to access the backside of this dent. I'm just able to snake a tool right up through that factory access hole and start working this dent out from one side to the other. Now, this dent does have a very unique shape. It's sort of like a crease, but it makes more of an arch. So we're gonna have to move our light around. And unfortunately, there is a scratch through that dent that the customer has already attempted to put some touch-up paint in. It's a pretty solid color match, but it is always gonna show a scratch whenever you use some touch-up paint. So here we are moving our line board around, making sure that we're connecting all of these pushes and getting all these little micro lows up. And of course, we're gonna put our plug back in once we finish our pushes, make sure that this wheel liner is back intact, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm James Harris with Southside Dents and Cosmetics. We operate in the Hampton Roads area. And so if you've got similar damage on your vehicle you'd like to have us take a look at, reach out using the links below or give us a call. Thanks.